Why does audio need to be included in interactions between users and bots? When tracking a parcel or requesting information from ChatGPT or Gemini, there is a delay while waiting for updates or responses, often resulting in an awkward pause between the user and the system. To address this issue effectively, we implemented audio cues as a means to confirm the arrival of the response, ensuring a smoother interaction between the user and the bot. If a response is received, it's promptly displayed; otherwise, we persistently loop the audio to attempt retrieval again. Here is the demo of a voice bot handling the delayed response for parcel tracking service effectively.
Hello, how can I help you?
I want to inquire about my parcel.
Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Please hold the line. Your parcel had reached to your city. It will be delivered to you by today.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day.
Want to learn how? Please check the blog link provided in the description.